Today I want to share with you this particular works, um, this charcoal drawing. Stay tuned as we progress into the work. You know, I'm here to guide the upcoming artists how you go about your works. It's not only about the charcoal pencil, but the colored and painting that I'm about to share with you. You know, coming into works like this, you always have it at the back of your mind. You get your reference. Oh, the type of work that you want to do. Like I said, I'm just here to guide you and to support you in a little way I can. If you find this video interesting, subscribe and stay tuned for more so that you don't miss my tutorial. Here, this is basically what I do. I'm here for the upcoming artists. Are you struggling with pastel, or are you struggling with charcoal pencil, or your dream is to create amazing artwork like this, or type of this kind of artwork? It's not magic. All I can tell you is about consistency, focus, and dedicate yourself. You are an artist, you are a creative mind, you understand? So it doesn't care, or it doesn't matter how you started, but it's where you are going. They're really, really determined. I remember way back when I discovered this talent, I thought it was a play, but the more I was trying to run away from it, the way I was getting closer to it. You understand? So if today I'm able to do works like this, sometimes I don't even believe that it's me that I'm doing it. Till when people are calling me and telling me, some really called me and asked me that they really want me to mentor them, that I see that, oh, so I've gone this far that people really, really are looking up to me to support their journey. Me growing up, I meet a lot of artists and I've gone to school and I see a lot of creativity, you understand? More amazing artworks and stuff like that. But for me, I thought it was just me, going, doing my thing, doing my thing, I was just creating my works, for fun, stuff like that. But with this amazing skills that you have as artist can change your life, honestly. Because for me, this is what I've been living my life with. You understand? So I thought you too, if you focus and become great, you can also benefit from them. It's never, never easy. Understand the situation now that very things are very critical and very tough, but we keep pushing every day. You understand? So like I said, I'm just here to boost your mind or your brain to become that which you're scared of. You are an artist. If you hold a pencil, don't let the pencil control you. It's you that hold the pencil. Don't let fears, oh, how am I going to do it? Would I be able to do things like this? Sometimes me, while I was coming up, when I see an amazing artwork that was so perfect, like sometimes I thought that it's no hand that made it. Man, the truth is, I went for some exhibition. I've seen a lot of works, you understand, but I always have it at the back of my mind that, bro, it is a man that can do this. This is the head that can do this. I can also do this. You understand? So these are the things that you have it at your back of your mind. You need to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Be who you are. Be real to yourself. You can conquer everything, my brother. I'm telling you for real. Telling you this is real. So, so these are the things. So these are some of my artwork, as you can see here. So if you watch this video up till now, give me a thumbs up, and you follow me interested with amazing artwork I'm displaying up top. I'm showing you this thing just to boost your mind, to understand that you can also do it. You understand? So please, this is my page. I'm going to drop my number. If you have any challenge and things you want to talk to me, you can reach me on this number here, or chat me on my WhatsApp so that I can help you in the little way I can. You understand? So see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow or subscribe and stay tuned for more art and tips and how to perfect in your pastel. See you in my next video. Love you guys. I'm out.